Hey traders, welcome to this video. Just thought I'd shoot one on New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc, CHF. The reason why is simple. It's one of the only things that is moving on Monday before we go further into the week. And I know there's lots of you who enjoy watching my technical analysis for educational purposes. We're live in the live room right now teaching traders on charts. You can get that underneath this video. So similarly to my New Zealand dollar video this morning, you can see rejection to the left there. You're getting further rejection now, and it's coming in line with all these key price action areas. So going straight off the bat, you're looking for price action as a reference point, because if there was no price action, you wouldn't know where other traders were likely to be in and out of the market and create market reaction for you to essentially jump on and trade as well. What really interests me, particularly with this chart, is that, okay, you've got various candle wicks here. And again, it's screaming at you. It's saying this is rejection. Short sellers are entering the market. So coming back to it very early on, you have to ask yourself, well, what's happening already? Is there already rejection? Do I think perhaps that could give me the kind of idea that I would need for a fall? Okay, so that's why I like it lightly short at the moment. Now, I say lightly short for a few reasons. Number one is because this is really your first major resistance that you would find within a larger scale retracement back to the upside. Okay, so what I mean by that is if you just zoom out simply on something like your daily, you're well off from 0.67, let's have a look, 0.6735. Just as your last reference point. If you put yourself up to the monthly, look, you're way down here. You started off up here, you're way down there. So it's very early on if you're going to short. Now, if you're a risk-averse trader, okay, maybe you're not as advanced or experienced, and you're trying to pick somewhere to short it. Again, you really do need full risk plans. There's a very key level of resistance up here. That would be my next level to scale in, or even my first, if I really had to trade this. Okay, gun to my head, that's where I would prefer it short, because you've got all this key resistance. Now, you'll only get up there if you get continued rhetoric from the Swiss bank, delivering the kind of sentiment you would need, and also the RBNZ, Reserve Bank in New Zealand, basically being persistent and keeping rates up, and you would therefore get them, a strength in the New Zealand dollar over the Swiss franc. So that's really what it would take. Change in direction from the Swiss bank, which we're starting to see somewhat, at least in their rhetoric, not so much in their actions just yet, and continued strength. But that doesn't really matter. I mean, if you're going to short it up here, you would do it when it gets there, whatever pulls it there. So that's a quick rundown on the New Zealand dollar against Swiss franc. Don't forget, you can join us in the live room underneath. See you in the next one.